What's going on, Diamond Hand family? Anyone want to get more drip? What about more plants in the drip garden? What about more BNB? Momentary pause for the real investors to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future content. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this more BNB. So you see, in crypto, you got to be a machine. You got to be like the Terminator. You got to just keep going. You just keep going, keep going. Don't let nothing stop you until you get rich. The only thing about crypto is you can't really fake it till you make it. No, in crypto, once you get wrecked, sometimes it takes a long time to come back from that. But the key to it is to never give up. Anyway, more BNB is out. Launch date was yesterday for the new Avarice fork, More BNB. Link is in the video description. More BNB is a staking platform that allows users to multiply their BNB through 4 different income streams, inspired by Rex, Avarice, and T2X. We have perfected More BNB so that the platform brings maximum profitability to the user. So just like in Avarice, you know the name of the game. The first ones in make the most money. And that's just how these things work. You got to get in while it's hot, make your money, get your ROI, and then everything else is house money. And the thing about house money is you don't have to worry about losing it if everything goes south. Why? Because you already made your initial deposit back and then some. And so it looks like there is 49 people in this platform and counting. They're dividing up 2.9 million more tokens for this lobby, and they're going to give updates to what people are doing here on the screen. You know, I might dollar cost average in up to about 1 BNB just to see what happens. And once that staking starts, I'll most likely stake for 7 to 10 days max. And, you know, I encourage you to do whatever strategy you feel is safest doing. All the stats and updates should be on the site after day 1 lobby ends, so we can fully see what the platform is all about. And I'll be doing an update video as soon as I can gather more information on how everything works. So as always, nothing I say on this channel constitutes financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say on this channel is just for educational entertainment purposes only. And never invest what you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. So I'll see you guys next time with an update video on more BNB. Peace.